I was sweating in my garage. How hard can it be to align two wires and then solder them? But as 5 minutes turned into 30 and the sweat began to pour, I had to wonder, is it my technique or is it my tools? Sometimes the easiest solution is just pay to make the problem go away. I looked at options like the OmniFixo or the Setting Helping Hands on Amazon, but I have a problem. I hate wasting money. Since I don't solder for a living, it doesn't feel like an investment. So instead of buying, I spent days of effort trying to build my own version. And what did I get? A worse version of what I'd like to have? But there is one secret to any good project. So I printed this third hands here, and I attached it to a brick, so that way it'd be harder to move. But as you can see, over time, these bits here, they start to fall apart. And so I came up with, it's just like this. It can hold stuff, use a different type of clamp, and I believe will give it more life than the simple like clamps just like that. As well as it is movable, it is a lot stiffer in only one direction. So if you place it down, sometimes it'll shake a little bit. It is pretty stiff here, and you can break it, of course. But then you can just tighten it again, and it's pretty good. I'm thinking about making a cup holder, so even when I'm not soldering, I can still use it. That's also why the brick is here. I mean, the brick is here to give it more mass, so I can't just push it around or anything like that. And as you see, currently nothing's falling out. I got a potentiometer in here pretty well. I mean, it's not the worst position to put it in, but it is pretty stable and hasn't moved around. I could probably get it to fling out, but I don't feel like it. We got it attached with these 3 zip ties. This is on printables, and you can print it out. Brick not included.